Ever wish you could turn 30 emails into 3 decisions? Or get a full meeting recap without watching the recording? Today, I'll show you how Microsoft Copilot makes that happen in seconds. Welcome to Microsoft 365 Quick Skills, the channel where you learn practical Copilot tips to save time and boost productivity. Let's dive into Outlook. Picture your inbox. Hundreds of messages, from extensis and information overload. Now see Copilot in action. Here's the prompt. Summarize this thread for a non-technical manager. List decisions, blockers, owners. Before, 30 emails, endless scrolling. In moments, a chaotic conversation turns into 3 concise bullet points, outlining critical decisions, identifying blockers, and assigning owners. It's clear, integrates with To-Do and Planner, and makes tasks actionable. Your email becomes a powerful tool, enabling you to stay focused and organized without wasting precious time. Next, let's turn to Teams. Here, you're in a meeting with your team. You can ask Copilot to summarize what's happened so far. Copilot summarizes who said what and what points were made, capturing the spirit of the discussion. And as the meeting progresses, you can check in on where people stand. You can even ask Copilot what questions are unresolved. It is just amazing to see this happen in real time during a meeting. Missed yesterday's vendor review meeting? Just ask Copilot. From Wednesday's vendor review meeting, list decisions, owners, and deadlines. Copilot instantly delivers a clear recap. Decisions, responsibilities, and deadlines all organized. For full post-meeting recaps with speaker attribution and navigation, Teams transcription must be turned on. And in some organizations, Copilot requires it for compliance. If you see a prompt to start transcription, that's normal. Extra tip. Want speaker attribution during the meeting? Use detailed prompts like, list key topics, who said what, and action items. Without transcription, those details won't be available after the meeting. Reminder, if transcription is disabled, copy the Copilot summary or next steps into Teams chat or a document before the meeting ends to retain actionable notes. That's episode 2. Summarize and find. Your first step towards enhanced productivity with Copilot. Want the exact prompts we used today? Grab the free SMB Copilot Quick Prompts, link below. And don't miss episode 3, where we turn messy notes into a polished SOP in Word.